Hello, and welcome to this series of 505 XT steam turbine controller tutorials. In this tutorial, we will cover how to configure and run the extraction PID optimizer and Opti ratio routine, which automatically tunes the speed and extraction PIDs simultaneously. The extraction PID optimizer and Opti ratio routines will automatically calculate your system dynamics and provide the following benefits: improved system response to disturbances, tighter control at the set point, and improved system diagnostics. We will first overview the extraction optimization test sequence. The Extraction Dynamics Optimizer will automatically analyze the system and calculate the P, I, and D terms for the PID dynamics settings. To calculate optimized system dynamics, small and progressively larger adjustments are made to the extraction PID output demand in order to measure the extraction response. The optimizer routine remains within user-specified process and valve movement limits to ensure that the turbine system remains within acceptable operating limits. The default configuration of the test will work for most systems without adjustment. For details on the configuration settings, please see the Speed PID Optimizer tutorial. The Ready LED indicates that the test can be enabled. When the extraction set point is moved, the Ready LED will turn yellow, and a message for settling will be displayed for 30 seconds after the set point is moved. This allows the system to stabilize prior to starting the test. When the Ready LED is yellow and a message for high signal movement is given, it indicates that the test will likely fail due to the following: the system is unstable, there is high signal noise on the speed signal. The signal noise must not be greater than 10% of the process or droop limit settings. When you are ready to run the test, open the Test menu from the soft key and press the Enable Test soft key. The test will begin and progress through the steps outlined above. At any point during the test can be aborted by pressing the Abort Test soft key. The extraction PID will immediately control extraction at the initial set point using the initial gains. When the test is complete, the Accept soft key becomes available. By pressing the Accept soft key, the calculated gains will overwrite the initial gains, and the test will reset using the new gains. To reject the calculated gains, press the Reset Test soft key, and the PID will revert back to the initial gains. You now understand how to configure and run the extraction PID optimizer. We will now cover the Opti Ratio Dynamics Optimizer. The Opti Ratio screen can be accessed from either the Speed Dynamics Optimizer screen or the Extraction Dynamics Optimizer screen by pressing the Opti Ratio soft key. The Opti Ratio routine will automatically optimize the speed and extraction PIDs in the same test, which ensures that the PID responses do not interfere with each other and provides optimized dynamics for both PIDs when operating on the ratio limiter. If at any point during the Opti ratio test a process or droop variable exceeds the process or droop limits, the test is aborted. If at any point a fault is reported from either PID optimization test, the Opti ratio test is aborted, and both PIDs go back to controlling the process at the initial set point using initial gains. At any point during the Opti ratio test, the test can be aborted by pressing the Abort soft key. When the test is complete, the gains must be accepted for each controller on their respective pages. Press the Speed Opti soft key to return to the Speed Dynamics Optimizer screen, and press the Accept soft key. Press the Extraction and Mission Opti to return to the Extraction Dynamics Optimizer page, and press the Accept soft key. Once dynamics have been accepted for both PIDs, the Opti ratio test will automatically reset. You now understand how to use the Extraction Dynamics Optimizer and the Opti ratio to optimize your extraction turbine system dynamics. Please be sure to view the other tutorials for more information.